Hey guys, what do you know? My spare account has has its membership expired. I thought I got unlimited membership because yesterday it was supposed to expire, but it didn't, which is
some of your
weird.
items, animals, and creatures have been put into storage.
Yeah,
You haven't lost them.
I
They'll
know.
just be put away until you renew your club membership.
Yep. Can I renew it now? Oh crap! What have I done? I've done it wrong. I'm just gonna X that out quickly, and I'm just gonna go
In
with
the
the
meantime,
next.
choose which two animals you'd like to keep playing with as a free player.
Fine, okay. Yeah. Oh man, Chef Penguin is even gone. Actually, no. This wasn't the real Chef Penguin. That's a fake Chef Penguin, Megan. My other dude was a real Chef Penguin. We're gonna go with that one. My fox. Oh. I was actually trying to do the glitch earlier, but it just wouldn't work. It was just a mess. It was a total mess, okay?
Are you sure these are the two animals you want to keep playing with?
Yes.
Thanks for playing Animal Jam. Do you want to renew your club membership now?
No thanks. Well, that's nice. I'm a wreck. You remember Arctic Wolf? Well, I guess, let's see here. My jammer wall. Well, let's see if I can access the jammer wall when I'm on my main account. Aw, that's so depressing. But you know what I can do? I can access the jammer wall on that. Well, at least I have my other accounts that have a lot of memberships. Oh yeah, look at all these nice little rainbow pattern. Wow, lovely. Sigh. Rip animals. Ugh, I'll always love you animals. Well, huh. Oh man. I remember just wearing this the other day. Well, you know what? Whatever. Let's go check out my other accounts. Because those accounts. Actually, you know what? We're not gonna do that. We're just gonna. It's all about Daily Rogue here in this spare account. We're all just gonna go like this. No members. No. Be gone. And I'm gonna turn up the volume. Hopefully it's not too loud when I turn it on. That'll be a mess. Huh. I'm gonna turn that down. Oh my god, that's at 100 volume. That is too much for me. So, let's see. What can we do as a non-member? We can get these fashionable genie shoes. Ooh, it can look like that. Let's try trading people. Let's go to the almighty den of Wootmoo because that is actually the real den of trading. What is Alden when we have Wootmoo? This den is so much better. Oh wow, I got in first try. Wow. Give me 3 den betas for my long wrist. Depends. It depends. I don't even know if this account has anything good. Oh. Huh. Hey, if you have a back or wipe. Is your list your offer? Oh my god, if that's your list, if your list is your offer, oh, I'd take that. But of course, I traded away for that purple long, as you could see in my good old trading video for like a red long trade attempts video. Plus shout out. Trade me? Okay, sure. I think I'll make a good trade. You know, black long. Yeah, well, we'll trade for that. I think we're gonna do pretty good here. Of course, we're gonna be trading that. You know, that seems like a good item to trade. So we're gonna go. Well, you know what? I have non-member rights, and I'm gonna trade for the tradiest trade. A squid hat. that and a rim. Yes, totally. I will trade all these items. Are you sure you want to trade your rare and diamond items? Yes. Let's see. They're totally gonna accept this. Like the fairest thing ever. I think it's an over trade actually. How dare you decline my over trade? That was over trade. Okay. That was such an over trade. Why? Hi, these den betas. People don't English well. I must run. I have an idea for today for what we're gonna do. We're gonna go here. We're gonna go right there. Okay, right there. Now we're gonna go here, and then we're gonna go here. Okay, and then we're gonna go here. Let's make some non-member right paintings. So we're gonna go with the. That's not what it looks like now, is it? Hold on, kids. Let's see what the non-member boy thing looks like. Oh wow. Hello. So got a little paw there. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay. I got it. So we got a circle right there. We got that right. No, too small. Now we got a circle there. Okay. And I'll color everything later. Yeah. Okay, and then we got goes like that, and then a little smaller circle. That's a small circle. Okay. I think that's how it works. And then it goes like this. It goes like exactly like that. And what professional artists do, they use a lot of shapes clearly, and they do something like that. No. They do something. That's not quite the oh, what is that noise? I'm scared. Oh, Jesus. Okay. I'm sorry. There's, okay. Now we're gonna erase this. I don't think that's how you erase properly. I don't think a true person that knows how to art wouldn't do something like that. So we're gonna actually go like this, and then we're no. This is a disaster. But whatever. We're gonna keep going with this. We're gonna keep going. We're gonna be strong. We're gonna do this together. Crap. No, I'm gonna fix it. I'm going to fix it right now, and it's going to be so amazing that it's going to be the best masterpiece in the whole world right here. And then we're gonna go. Okay. That's good. That if that was in real life, I'd pay like 5 cents for that. Yeah, I think that's fair. I'd pay 5 cents for this masterpiece if you were to sell it, but you are not allowed to. That's bad. You can't do that in Animal Jam, or you'll get banned for life. That is bad stuff. Okay, and then we're gonna write our name right here. Okay, hard life here. Drawing. Okay. That's not how you do things. No, that's never mind. Let's use this. And then we're gonna just use this tool because I'm lazy. Also, it looks like that. Oh yeah, that is so good. LA roll G. Okay, I've made world's best masterpiece in the whole world of existence, and we're gonna now fill that in. Oh yes. Yes, that is real good art. And then yellow, I think that's yellow, yeah. And yeah, we're gonna send that to AJ. Okay. Beautiful. Mwah. Beautiful. Okay. Now let's try. Why is there so much rare people here? Let me trade you. What the? I am not. Ow! I swear. Okay. It's not pixel painting. That's not pixel painting. I messed up my screen. Oh. Come on, we're gonna try pixel painting. How do people draw in pixel paint? I don't understand. Here, I'll draw something. Go like that, okay. And then we go like that. Okay. And we go like that, and then, just you wait. Boom, cat face. Wait. Hold on a second, that is not in the right area. Boom, done. And now we're gonna make it kawaii, as kawaii as we can. That's so gross. I don't know what I did. Enjoy that, AJ. I bet they'll love it. Well, guys, I think that's gonna be enough for today's video. Wow, it's a whole 11 minutes of me painting and trading. That's fun. I love the wait, we forgot. Adventures. We have to do this one last adventure before we end everything off. Okay, we have to do this adventure. Like, adventures. I'm so happy they turned Adventures Not Member. That is actually, mwah, lovely. I can't believe those old days. Now we just use these spare accounts for extra rares, you know? Everyone does that, right? Just me? Okay then. And then we go like this, and we're almost done the adventure, and you know what? That's enough for today's video. Bye, Eliza. Gonna leave you here. Billions of Jammers have done this for you. You just stay in that same place, and I'm gonna try and trade for this person's headdress here. How are you so rare? Buddy me. Okay, well guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace! And not member lives matter. Bye bye.